Next, we're going to dive into Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams is extremely versatile, which means there are a lot of tools and features. You'll see some of those features on the screen here, but don't worry about everything that's up there. Today, you're going to learn the basics of finding your way around the Teams app so that you can start thinking about how you might use it. We'll start small and add on as we go. There are three main spaces to know when working in Teams: the Me space, the We space, and the Canvas. We'll start with the Me space. This space includes two areas. The first area is the App bar. See it here. It is used to display the different areas you have available to you in Teams. When you select something in the App bar, the left rail will change to show you what's in that app. The left rail is here. It is the second area that makes up the Me space. See that Teams is selected in the app bar, and the left rail is displaying the list of teams that this teacher has. You may not be on any teams yet, but if you are, they will show here. This teacher has 5 teams. You can tell because there are icons or class avatars next to each team in the left rail. You will notice that there are other apps that you can select in the app bar, like Chat or Files. When you select these apps, the left rail will change to show you the list of chats you have had or the list of files that have been added to your team. You'll have a chance to explore those other apps in a little bit. The next space in Teams to get to know is the We space. The We space has two areas: the class nav and the tabs. The first area is the class nav. It shows which team you are in and what channel is selected. Within a team, you can have multiple channels. Channels could be units of study, projects, or even work groups. As you can see on this screen, the team Language Arts 101 is selected, and we are in the general channel of this team. Every team created will have a general channel. You can see over in the left rail that this class has multiple channels. If a different channel is selected, the class nav will change to the second area in the We space is tabs. Tabs are options for each channel. Some tabs, like conversations and files, are in every channel. You can add different tabs based on what you need for the channel. For example, because this is the general channel for the Language Arts 101 class, the teacher has added some tabs that include assignments and the syllabus. If we selected the Elements of Fiction channel in the left rail, the class nav would change from General to Elements of Poetry. The tabs would show the content the teacher has added for this channel. The third main area to know in Teams is the Canvas. The Canvas is essentially the workspace for whatever you have selected. On this screen, we see the workspace for the Conversations tab in the General channel in the Language Arts 101 team. It's important to know that in MNPS, only managers, such as leads or directors, can give permission to create teams. Teams are created in IT via a Service Pro ticket. You may be invited to join the team by your direct supervisor or on other committees you may serve. You don't have to be on a team to use the Teams app.